Hello students, I'm Lokesh Rathore. Today we are going to start our next chapter, that is chapter number 4, linear equation in two variable. So before starting this chapter, let us recall that in your earlier classes, in class I think 6th, 7th or 8th, you might have studied that the linear equation in one variable. So there we used to solve the question on that chapter, linear equation in one variable. So before starting, first we'll understand what is the mean of the linear equation, what is the mean of this name of the chapter. The linear equation in in two variable. Okay, so here I have taken an example of a linear equation in linear equation in one variable. Okay, so let us understand what is the mean of this name. Okay, first that is the name linear. So linear means whenever in any equation, when the variable, you understand what is the variable and what is constant. So here x is variable in this equation, 2, 3 and 0 are the constants. Means value of x could be changed, but value of 2, 3 and 0 they could not be changed, means they would be same as 2, means 2 will be there, 2 cannot be written as 3. Okay, now let us come to the point here. So linear means in any equation when variable having maximum power is 1, means किसी भी इक्वेशन में वेरिएबल की मैक्सिमम पावर अगर 1 है, दैट वुड बी कॉल्ड व्हाट, लीनियर. हियर मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ x इज व्हाट, 1, सो इट वुड बी द लीनियर. सेकंड वर्ड इज देयर इक्वेशन. सो इक्वेशन मींस व्हेन वी हैव एन see if I write and same expression I'm writing here, 2x plus 3. Okay, so what is the major difference between equation and expression or polynomial, whatever? So here I have written 2x plus 3 equals to 0, and here I have written what, 2x plus 3, only 2x plus 3, means when the expression having no sign of equality, that is called the एक्सप्रेशन. व्हेन एक्सप्रेशन हैविंग साइन ऑफ इक्वलिटी मींस जहां इक्वल्स टू का साइन होगा तो वो चेंज हो जाएगा इक्वेशन में. अगर एक्सप्रेशन में इक्वल्स टू का साइन नहीं है, पॉलिनोमियल में इक्वेशन का साइन नहीं है, देन इट वुड बी कॉल्ड व्हाट, एक्सप्रेशन. सो I think it is clear that what is the difference between equation and expression. So a major difference between them is the equation having sign of equality and expression doesn't have. Okay, now let us come to the point. So equation linear, you understand, variable having maximum power 1 is called linear. Then equation means sign of equality should be there in two variables. So variable we understand, all the alphabets are called variable. Now we have to understand what is the mean of two variables. So here I have taken an equation of one variable. Now if I take another example, like suppose I write 2x plus 3y plus 5 equals to 0, means that this would be the linear equation in two variable, because the maximum power of variable is 1, means it would be linear. Then sign of equality is present here, means it would be equation, and two variable means I have taken two variables. So I think you understand what is the name of the what is the mean of the name of this chapter, linear equation in two variable. Now let us start exercise 4.1. So the very first question of exercise 4.1 is the cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. What is given? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. Write a linear equation in two variable to represent this statement. Okay. What is given? The cost of notebook is twice the cost of a pen. In 8th class, we used to make the equation by the given statement. So same process we have to apply here. Means first we have to suppose anything as x, and second thing we would be supposed what, y. And hint is also given here that take the cost of notebook be x and the cost of pen to be y. Okay. So here I am taking let the cost of cost of a notebook, it is given B rupees what X, and cost of a pen, it would be rupees what Y. These things are given in question. If it would not be there, then we'll suppose something or whatever we want, we can suppose. Okay, now what is given in the question? See, the question is the cost of notebook. Cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. Means notebook का जो cost है वो pen के cost का twice है. So cost of pen we have taken what? Y. Cost of notebook we have what? X. And cost of pen we have what? Y. In question it is given this cost of notebook. The cost of notebook is twice the cost of pen. So twice the cost of pen means 2 times the cost of pen. So X would be equals to what? 2Y. This would be the equation. Okay. Clear? So this is the answer of first question. You have to just arrange the given statement in form of the mathematical statement. Okay. Now see second question. What is the second question? Second question is express the following linear equation in form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0 and indicate the value of a, b and c in each case. First one thing I had left it to make you understand that the standard form of linear equation in two variable is ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So ये ax plus by plus c equals to 0 ये क्या है linear equation in two variable का standard form. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to express the following linear equation. We have to express the linear equation in this form, and we have to find it is given, this form is given, and we have to find the value of a, b and c. So the very first one is what? C. So the very first question is given 2x plus 3y equals to 9.35 bar. Okay, now we have to represent it in the form of ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So we'll write, we'll compare it on comparing with the standard equation with ax plus by plus c equals to 0. So when we convert this equation in form of standard equation, so we have to write it like this: 2x plus 3y, it would be here, we have to shift to 9.35 bar, so it would change its sign, so it will become minus 9.35 bar equals to 0. Now the standard equation and this equation both are similar, we have arranged it. Okay, now when we compare, we'll find we'll write therefore the value of a, b and c. So the terms which is coming with x is it will be the value of a. So with x here we have what? 2. So value of a would be what? 2. The term which is having variable as y, so term with y is 3, so value of b would be what? 3. So b equals to 3, and value of c would be the constant term. Here constant term we have what? Minus 9.35 bar. So this was the solution of the second question, first part of the second question. I think you would understand. So the many questions you have to solve. One more question I'm going to explain, because it is a different question. So we'll take question number I'm taking fourth one. Okay, x equals to 3y. So first I have to change this in the standard form. So in the standard form it would be written as form how x minus 3y equals to 0. We don't have one more term, constant term. So when we compare it, we'll get what? A equals to will get 1, b equals to will get minus 3, and c will get 0 because there is no constant term. Okay,